Today, after 2 days rest in Quito, we start flight to Guayaquil. It's a very short flight. Today is only about 35 minutes. This morning, they started fly the first officer, Mr. Jabres. Thank you and enjoy this flight again.
So we're going to take off today northbound. So northbound we have mountains both sides, and we have to go by a valley that there is in this point. The name is Ilpex, and if you see here, or even here, is going to be better. So the blue line is the engine failure procedure that we have. So we are going to turn left and then through the valley to this point. Okay, so in case that we have an engine failure in takeoff, we will have enough climb gradient to comply with this departure, contingency departure.
Europa 039, clear to Guayaquil via flight Rendezvous, climb to 17,000 feet, runway 36, Temox 3 Alpha, departure, squawk 7351.
Okay, time is over.
Thank you.
Final is clear.
Thank you.
Runway 36 is confirmed.
Thank you. Okay, ready guys?
Yeah.
Perfect.
AIR EUROPA 039er, wind 210 degrees at 3 knots, runway 36 clear for takeoff.
D1.
Rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up. Enough.
Check.
AIR EUROPA 039er, contact Quito, departure 121.2, good flight, see ya.
Departure, buenos días, Europa 039 Heavy, crossing 9,000 to 17,000, Timos departure.
Buenos días, Europa 039, Quito approach, radar contact. Climb to 17,000 feet initially, QNH 3040 inches, additional amend squawk, read 7351.
Copy that, squawking now, 7351, considering climb 17,000 over 3040, Europa 039 Heavy, thank you. Plus up.
Europa 039, climb to flight level 240.
Thank you, sir. Considering climb level 240, Europa 039 Heavy.
Flight level 240.
D1. Rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up. Enough.
Check. Positive climb.
Gear up. Enough.
Check. Europa 039 Heavy, thank you for that.
To 18,000 feet, QNH 3040 inches, clear ILS Zulu approach, runway 36, and report established on the localizer.
Europa 039er, reduce the speed at 250 knots. You are number 2 in approach, follow Airbus 320, 12 o'clock, 12 miles, and stand by for lower.
Transition is going to be at flight level 40, more or less. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Europa 039er, good morning, descend 3,500 feet, QNH 9er 87, space for ILS Whiskey, approach runway 21.
Approach checklist.
Altimeters
Checked.
approach checklist completed.
Thank you. Log capture.
Check. Log line.
And check-in move as 3,500. I select 2,500.
Check.
Europa 039er, contact Guayaquil Tower 118,003, good day, sir.
Europa 039er, Heavy Tower, good morning, continue approach runway 21, wind 200 degrees, 06 knots, QNH 9er 87 inch, report 5 miles.
And descending to 2,000 feet.
Yeah.
Fast fly will change speed.
Check.
And flap 10 as well.
Check. Flat 10.
Speed.
2500.
Gear down.
Gear down. Speed up. Check.
Ice lock capture.
4,000 is approach.
4,000 set. Flap 20.
Speed flat 20.
Flap 25.
Speed check 25.
Alpha 039er, wind 240 degrees, 05 knots, runway 21, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 21, Europa 039 heavy. Flat 30.
Landing checklist.
Landing checklist complete.
Checklist complete.
And clear to land. Wind calm.
Good. Autopilot off.
Check.
Stabilized.
Check.
Approaching minimum.
Check.
Minimums.
Inside continue.
Check. Wind calm.
Check.
$100. 50. 30. 10.
Reverse normal.
Approaching minimums.
Check.
Minimums.
Inside continue. Check.
$100. 50. 30. 10. Minimums.
Inside continue. Check.
$100. 50. 30. 10.
Speed breaker. Reverse.
10.
Speed brake in. Reverse.
Right is clear.
Thank you. Lights off, please.
AP running and time is off.
Thank you. Okay, shut down, please.
Okay, so we have arrived to Guayaquil, nice smooth flight, and with a very slow traffic in front of us. We have been reducing the speed all the time because we were almost catching them, and nothing else. 35 minutes flight time, and now prepare the next leg to Madrid.